Today I am discuss about how do you become a graphic designer. First of all, I am saying that becoming a good graphic designer requires a combination of both technical skills and creativity. A graphic designer work on all related projects, including creating logos, uh, banners, images, content for various organizations. Almost every type of digital organization needs a graphic designer. After deciding on as a graphic designer as a career, the first question that comes to mind is how to learn graphic design. Um, there are mainly two ways to learn graphic design. First of all, I will say that resource from Google. You can collect various resources from Google and read them. Then you have to come YouTube. You will also find various videos related to graphic design on YouTube. You can learn graphic design by following by any of these challenges. And second is I'm said that about institute or website offers courses. There are also various institute and websites that offer various online based courses. You can learn graphic designing by doing those courses. But first of all, you need a computer and internet connection. That's it. So if you follow this step, then you become a graphic designer. So thank you to see this video and watch again. Bye.